In this video, I will explain to you how to do polynomials division. We will use here two different methods. One is the factorization method. Other method we will use the division method. The question is 2y square plus 8y plus 8 divided by y plus 2, and you have to prove it that this is equal to 2y plus 4. I told you before as well that when you are doing your maths or algebra, so you should be very careful about that what the question is and what they are looking for. So in this question you have to prove that the left hand side, see, this is the left hand side of the equation and this is the right hand side. You have to prove that this polynomial divided by y plus 2 means left hand side should be equal to 2y plus 4. First of all, I told you earlier as well, here I am explaining again that you have to see that whether the polynomial is in the correct order or not. So see, this is the polynomial. If someone asks you what is the degree of the polynomial, you have to say it is the second degree polynomial. Degrees belongs to the power or exponent. You have to find out the highest degree in the polynomial, and that is called the degree. So in this question, 2 is the highest power because this y has one power. So this is the second degree, and you have to write down in the descending order according to the degrees. So 2y square plus 8y, degree is decreasing and then constant. It means this polynomial is in order. Right, now we are going to start our problem. First of all, we will do with the factorization, and here the same question we will solve with the division method. So see, first is 2y square. I will write down the left hand side, 2y square plus 8y plus 8 and then divided by y plus 2. I will write them like this. This is divided by y plus 2, right? So this is the factorization method. What you have to do first, you have to multiply the coefficient of the first this and with the constant term. So it is 2 8 times 16 y square. So you have to make the factorization of the numerator in such a way that when you will multiply, you have to write down two numbers in the middle. You have to split 8y in such a way when you will add that two numbers, it should be equal to 8y. But when you will multiply those numbers, it should be equal to 16y square. Right? So here I will write down 2y square, and you have to break down what? 8y, not this 8, not the first term, the second term. So 4y plus 4y plus 8. And then divided by, do not forget that we have the denominator as well, y plus 2. So see, I told you, you have to split 8y, or you have to make the factorization of 8y in such a way when you have to add or subtract, you should get 8y. So see, 4y plus 4y, 4 and 4 8, and this is y. You do not have to write down y square because we are adding. In addition, there is no need to add the power. Power adds in the case of multiplication. When we multiply these two numbers, 4 times 16, and this is 1y, y square. So see, 8 2 times 16 y square. When you multiply those numbers, you will get 16y square. When you add or subtract, you will get 8y. It means this is okay. Now make this pair. This is one set, this is one set, and take common. What you will take common here, we will take 2y. Why we cannot take y square common? Because here you have only one y, here you have 2y. So only one y we can take common. So y plus and then 2 remaining in the parenthesis. Similarly, you can take 4 common from here. So what is remaining? Y plus 2, and in both parentheses there should be the same, everything should be same with the same sign, y plus 2. Right, now we will take common. See, this is y plus 2, and I told you that both the present parentheses should be exactly same. So we can take y plus 2 common from here, And then what is remaining? 2y plus 4. 2y here, 4 is plus 4 is here, is remaining, right? And then divided by y plus 2. So you will see that this y plus 2, this y plus 2 will cancel out. What is remaining? 2y plus 4, and this is 2y plus 4. And this was the requirement of our question. That 2y plus 4 should equal to 2y plus 4, or left hand side should be equal to right hand side, and we proved it with the help of factorization. Now in here we will prove, but we will prove with the help of division method. Y plus 2, this is called the divisor, and this is the dividend, right? This is the dividend. You have to prove 2y square plus 8y plus 8 divided by y plus 2 equal to 2y plus 4. So what I told you, how we will start this problem, there are 3 steps. First step is you have to take the first term of the dividend. This is called dividend. What is inside it? So the first term is 2y square, and the first term of the divisor, this is divisor. First term means only y. No need to write down y plus 2. This is very important point. Only the first term. So in the numerator you have 2y, in the denominator you have 1y, they will cancel out. So 2y will go, this is called the quotient. First step is divided, you have to divide 2y square first term with the first term of the divisor. Second is now we will multiply 1 by 1 this divisor by quotient. So it will be 2y square and plus 4y. Plus 4y. This is the second step. Third step is you have to divide from the dividend. This is the dividend, so it will cancel out 4y, and this will 4y will come up here plus 8, which from here, right? Again we will do the 3 steps, same 3 step. First term of the dividend is 4y. First term of the divisor is y. So this time this y will cancel out, only 4. So we can write down 4 here. What is the second step? You have to multiply y plus 2 1 by 1 with 4. First is 4y. You can write down 4y here. And second is 4 2 times 8. And the third step is you have to subtract from the dividend. So in this case, now this is the dividend. Minus, minus. This will cross out. So what was the question? 2y square plus 8y plus 8 divided by y plus 2 should be equal to 2y plus 4. So see, this is our quotient and this is the answer. We proved it that this divided by this equal to 2y plus 4. We got the same answer by using the factorization method as well as the division method. We will solve one more question. So in this way your concept will be more clear. First is the factorization. In factorization you have to multiply first term with the last term. So it is 9x square, right? So write down the first term as it is, the last term as it is. You have to split the center one, which is 6x, in such a way when you will add those two numbers, you will get 6x, or when you will multiply, you will get 9x square. Why 9x square? Because this one. So see, I split 6x, 3x plus 3x. So it is 6x when I multiply 3 times 9 x square, right? So it means it is okay, and divided by, do not forget that we have x plus 3 as well. Now what is the second step in factorization? You have to make a set, and then you have to take the common. So x, and here x plus 3 is remaining in this parenthesis. And again I told you that in both parentheses should be exactly same. So x plus 3, x plus 3. If suppose this is x plus 3, this is x minus 3, it means you did some error. You have to go back and find out. And divided by x plus 3. What is the next step? See, x plus 3 from both parentheses, you have to take only one time common. And then what is remaining? X is remaining here, plus 3 is remaining here. So x plus 3. And do not forget that you have x plus 3 in the denominator as well. So x plus 3 will cancel out, only x plus 3 is here. And this is the requirement of the question. You have to prove that x plus 3 or x plus 3 or left hand side is equal to right hand side. We proved it with the help of factorization. Same question now we will prove with the help of division. So x plus 3, this is called the divisor, and you have to write down dividend here. X square plus 6x plus 9 is the dividend. Follow the same three steps. What is the first step? First term of the dividend, which is x square, divided by first term of the divisor, which is x, this one. So there are 2x, 1x and 1x cancel, only 1x is remaining. So write down as a quotient x. What is the next step? Now you have to multiply quotient with this divisor 1 by 1. So 1 is will be x square and then plus 3x. This third step is you have to subtract from the dividend. This will cross out and here you have 3x plus 9. Again repeat the same step. What is the first step? First term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. So only you have 3. What is the second step? Multiply divisor by this quotient. So it is 3x and 3 times 9. What is the third step? Subtract it from the dividend. So see, we proved that our quotient is the answer, x plus 3, and this was the requirement of the question, that this divided by x plus 3 should be equal to x plus 3. So we have proved the left hand side equal to right hand side. We did polynomial division with the help of factorization as well as division method. If still you have any question, please write down in the comment section. Without hesitation, I will try my best to solve it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Sci My Academy, and thanks for watching.